If food were a woman, it might look something like this. Flashy good looks, a delicious delicate scent, yet the inside reveals a soft complexity that compels you to call her first thing the next morning. Today's recipe: Sesame-seared Ahi Tuna. Here's what you'll need. For a full list of ingredients and their amounts, please check the description. Let's start with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in a shallow dish. For this, we want the freshest piece of ahi that we can find, very cold but not frozen. Give her a nice roll until she's completely coated, and then we'll let her take a soak for about 5 minutes on each side before continuing on to the next step. Now, get another dish and we're going to prepare our secret coating. For this, we're going to be using about 1 tablespoon of freshly cracked black pepper to about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Most local grocery stores will carry sesame seeds in the Asian food section. And don't worry, it's okay if the amounts aren't exact. Give them a quick stir and make sure that they are spread evenly. The goal here is to have a perfect bed of sesame and pepper to lay that fish on. Now take that beautiful filet and let's start to dress her in that mixture we made. Oh yeah, look how evenly coated she is. Just remember, love takes time, so be sure to get into all those little nooks and crannies. Next, we're going to put a non-stick skillet over a high flame. Add 1 tablespoon sesame oil to 3 tablespoons olive oil. Get it nice and hot, and make sure you slick that oil all around inside that pan. Carefully ease her into the oil, and we're going to let her brown for about 2 minutes per side. When searing ahi, hotter is better so that the outside cooks quickly while still leaving the inside raw. Notice how I tip the pan when turning so the oil doesn't splash. There's no shame if you have to turn more than once, but remember, we must move quickly. When we're finished, we still want to see pink. And to make that happen, here's a little trick I use. Put her into the freezer for about 5 minutes to stop the cooking process. And then comes the moment of truth, when it all pays off. All that caring attention, the prepping, the seasoning, the searing. If this piece of fish was a date, you'd be sliding into home. Just look at those luscious colors and textures, the crispy outer coating of sesame seeds and cracked pepper, and the silky rose-colored folds of the tender meat inside. Now let's plate up. Arrange the fish as artistically as you can. Although there's no wrong way to do this, we do want to see that beautiful pink meat. For the sauce, you can use any combination of miso or sesame dressing, spicy mayo, unagi sauce, or just dip in ponzu and wasabi. It's all about preference. I like to top it with a sprinkling of sliced green onions. And then a quick shake of some sesame seeds, and you are guaranteed to put a smile on the face of whoever's sitting across the table from you. They say no man is an island, but every woman is. Now, I'm not quite sure what that means or how it relates to this deliciously simple yet attractive entree, but I'm sure when you take that first bite, none of that will matter. Thanks for watching.